students, here I am your Shaista teacher. Students, previous class we finished introduction of basic concept in geometry. In that we studied what is geometry, basic concept in geometry, point, line and plane. We have studied coordinate of points and distances. Also we have studied betweenness. We have solved 3 examples which was based on coordinate of points and distances and betweenness. Now students, today I am going to teach you practice set 1.1 question number 1. This question number 1 based on coordinate of points and distances and betweenness. Now students, let's solve question number 1. Now students, let's solve practice set 1.1 question number 1. Here question number 1 carries 8 sub-questions. Find the distance with the help of the number line given below. Now here number line is given. This question is based on coordinate of points and distance. Coordinate of points and distance. Now here you can see coordinate of points and distance. So here these all are coordinate points. These all are coordinate points. So here we have to find the distance of the coordinate point. Now students, one by one we will solve. So here sub question 1, distance of B comma E. So here distance of B coordinate and E coordinate. So in this number line we have to see the distance of B coordinate and E coordinate. But before we will see what is the coordinate value. So here coordinate value for B is 2 and coordinate value for E is 5. Both are on right hand side. They both are positive number. Okay. So they both are positive numbers. So we'll solve this sub question 1 here. So first we will write sub question 1. Distance of B coordinate E. Now here solution. Distance of B coordinate is how much? 2. And distance of E coordinate is how much? 5. So here we will write given, that is distance of B coordinate of point B is how much? Yes, 2. And coordinate of point E is 5. So here we will write the coordinate of point B is equal to 2 and E is equal to 5 respectively. Okay. Now why respectively? Why? Because we are we can see here pairs are given. That is why we are writing here respectively. So B is equal to 2 and E is equal to 5. Actually we are comparing these two numbers. So here which number is greater, 5 or 2? Yes, first we have to compare which number is greater, 5 or 2. Both are positive number. So 5 is greater. That means coordinate E is greater than B. Coordinate E is greater than B. So here we will write 5 is greater than 2. We know that 5 is greater than 2. We have to use this greater than symbol. So 5 is greater than 2. After this, yes, 5 is greater than 2. So as you know that to finding distance we have to subtract. We have to subtract this two number. So 5 minus 2. Here distance of B comma E. Distance of B coordinate and E coordinate is equal to 5 minus 2. Give us how much? Yes, you are right. 5 minus 2 is 3. So distance of B comma E is equal to 3. So here distance of B coordinate and E coordinate is 3. Distance of B coordinate and E coordinate is how much? 3. So students, in this way we finish sub question 1. Now let's solve sub question 2. Students, sub question 2 is same as sub question 1. Now here sub question 2, distance, D stand for distance. Distance of J comma A. So here J coordinate is minus 2 and A coordinate is 1. We have to see which coordinate is greater. So the distance of J and A. First we compare the number. J coordinate is minus 2 and A coordinate is 1. So the given value is coordinate A is 1, coordinate of point A is 1 and coordinate of point J is minus 2. So which number is greater here? Yes. So minus negative number is always smaller than positive number. Negative number is always smaller than positive number. So here 1 is greater than minus 2. So here we will write first the given First we will write here sub question 2 d comma j comma distance of j coordinate and a coordinate, and this bracket close. Now here j coordinate is -2 and a coordinate is 1. So here we will write solution. The coordinate of point J is -2 and the coordinate of point A is 1, positive 1. So here we have written the coordinate of point J is equal to -2 and A is equal to 1 respectively. Now here which number is greater, -2 or 1? -2 is greater or positive 1 is greater? You are right, positive 1 is greater. So 1 is greater than -2. So we know that 1 is greater than -2. So here students we have to write again distance of J comma A. Okay. So here we will write distance of J comma A. Value for J is how much? The value for which number is greater here? 1 is greater. So the number which is greater, we will write first that number. So 1 minus. Why minus? Because here we have to use distance formula. So here we have to put here minus sign. So minus inside bracket for J we have to put here -2. Close the bracket. Now as you know that minus minus become plus. So 1 plus 2 give us 3. So distance of J comma A is 3, positive 3. So distance of J comma A is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So here distance of J comma A is 3, positive 3. Is that clear students? So here we have finished 2 sub questions. Distance of B comma E is how much? 3. And distance of J comma A is how much? 3. So here sub question 1 and 2 is done. Now students, let's solve sub question 3. That is distance of P comma C. Now students, let's solve sub question 3 based on this number line. Now here sub question 3 says that distance of P comma C. Distance of P comma C. So first we have to see the P coordinate point. Okay. So here coordinate of point P is -4 and coordinate of point C is 3. Coordinate of point P is -4 and coordinate of point C is positive 3. So here first we will write sub question 3 P comma C. Distance of P comma C. So distance of point P and C. So here solution. The coordinate of point P is how much? The coordinate of point P is -4 and the coordinate of point C is positive 3. So the coordinate of point P is -4 and C is +3. Okay, respectively. Now here we have to see which number is greater. First compare. Which number is greater? 3 or -4? You're right. 3 is greater, na? And -4 is smaller number. Why? Because negative number is comparing with positive number. So negative number is always smaller than positive number. So 3 is greater than -4. That means C is greater than P. So here we will write 3 is greater than -4. So we know that 3 is greater than -4. After this, we have to write here distance of P comma C. Distance of P comma C, that is equal to 3. Here the number which is greater, that number we will write first. This sign is for distance. Calculating distance we have to use minus sign. And the value for P is -4. So keep that -4 inside bracket. So now here 3 minus into minus will become plus. Minus into minus will become plus. So 3 plus 4 give us, you are right, 7. So here 3 plus 4 give us 7. So here distance of P comma C is 7. So after finding we come to know that we come across the distance of P comma C is 7. So here distance of P comma C is 7 unit. Is that clear? So in this way we finish sub question 3. So here distance of P comma C is 7. Now sub question 4. So let's solve sub question 4. Sub question 4. Distance of j comma h. Now here on this number line, coordinate of j is -2. Coordinate of j point is -2 and coordinate of h point is -1. So here, which number is greater, -2 or -1? You're right, -1 is greater than -2. So here we will write first a distance of j comma h. Distance of j comma h. Okay, now here solution. The coordinate of point j is equal to -2 and the coordinate of point h is equal to -1. So here we will write the coordinate of points j is equal to -2 and h is equal to -1 respectively. Now here which number is greater, -2 or -1? As you know, here -1 is greater than -2. So here we will write, we know that -1 is greater than -2. So here we will write, we know that -1 is greater than -2. After that, distance of j comma h. Distance of j comma h. Here we are finding distance of these two alphabet. Distance between these two alphabet, j and h. So here distance of j comma h is equal to -2. Here is equal to -2 or -1. Which number is greater? -1. So the number which is greater, we write that number first. So -2 is equal to -2. This sign is for distance. Okay. And -2 is -1 minus -2 inside the bracket. Here -1 is greater. So -1 we will write first. Then this sign is for distance. We are calculating here distance now. For that we have to put here minus sign. And inside the bracket here we will write -2. So now here -1 minus minus become +2. So now 2 -1 plus 2. Here -1 plus 2. Now minus into plus minus. So 2 minus 1 give us +1. This 2 is greater. This 2 is carry plus sign. So this 2 is greater than -1. Okay, because this -1 is in negative and this become positive after multiplying. Okay, multiplying by the same sign. Minus into minus give us +2. Now here we come across that distance of j comma h is equal to +1. So here distance of j comma h is +1. So students, in this way we finish sub question 4 of question number 1. Now let's solve sub question 5, that is distance of k comma o. Now here on this number line, coordinate of point k is -3 and coordinate of o is 0. Now here we will write this question, sub question 5, distance of k comma o. Now here solution. Distance of k coordinate point is -3 and o is 0. So here we will write the coordinate of point k is equal to -3 and o is equal to 0. So here the coordinate of point k is equal to -3 and o is equal to 0 respectively. Now here we have to see which number is greater, -3 or 0. Yes, negative number is always smaller number. That means 0 is greater number. Yes, so 0 is greater than -3. So here we will write, we know that 0 is greater than -3. Yes, then yes. Now here we will write distance of k comma o is equal to, distance of k comma o is equal to 0. The number which is greater, that number we will write first. So here 0 minus y, because we are finding distances. So here we will put here minus sign. Inside the bracket we will put k value, that is -3. So here minus minus become plus. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So distance of k comma o is equal to 3. Distance of k comma o is equal to 3. So in this way we finish sub question 5. Now students, let's solve sum number 6. Here distance of O comma E. Distance of O coordinate is distance of O coordinate point is 0 and distance of E coordinate point is 5. So now here which number is greater, 0 or 5? 0 is greater or 5 is greater? You are right. Here 5 is greater. Why? Because 0 and 5 both are positive number. This 5 is a positive number. Okay. So now 5 is greater than 0. So here we will write distance of O coordinate and E coordinate. Now solution. The coordinate of point O is equal to 0 and E is equal to positive 5. O is equal to 0 and E is equal to 5. The coordinate of point O is equal to 0 and E is equal to 5 respectively. Now we know that which number is greater here, 0 or 5? Yes, 0 or 5, which number is greater? 5 is greater than 0. Okay, so here we will write, we know that 5 is greater than 0. Yes, after this we will write distance of O comma E. Distance of O comma E bracket close is equal to 5 minus 0. Okay, 5 minus 0 give us 5. So here distance of O comma E is equal to 5. Is that clear students? So in this way we finish sum number 6. So distance of O comma E is equal to 5. This is a positive number. Is that clear? Distance of O comma E is equal to 5. Distance between O and E is 5. Distance of O and E. The distance between O and E is 5. Is that clear? Now let's solve next question, that is sub question 7. Here sub question 7, distance of P comma J. Distance bracket P comma J bracket close. Now here P coordinate is minus 4 and J coordinate is minus 2. P coordinate is minus 4 and J coordinate is minus 2. Here we have to find the distance between these two coordinate points. Now here we will write sum number 7, distance of P coordinate 7. P coordinate 7. Now here solution. The coordinate of point P is equal to minus 4 and J is equal to minus 2 respectively. The coordinate of point P is equal to minus 4 and J is equal to minus 2 respectively. Now here, very important, which number is greater? These both number are negative number. Minus 4 and minus 2 both are negative. So here the number which is smaller, that number is a greater number. That means minus 2 is greater than minus 4. Why? Because they both are negative number. So if they both are negative number, that means this minus 2 is the greater number. So here we will write, we know that minus 2 is greater than minus 4. We know that minus 2 is greater than minus 4. Now, very important, here we will write distance of P comma J. Distance of P comma J is equal to minus 2. This minus 2 we have to write here, and this is the sign of distance. We are calculating here distance. So here we will put this distance sign, minus sign, and now inside the bracket we will put this minus 4. Minus 4 is for P. This P represent minus 4. J is for minus 2. So here we have written first minus 2. Then this sign is for distance sign. Why? Because we are calculating here distance between two coordinate point. Okay, so here we will put minus sign and inside the bracket minus 4. Now minus 2 and this minus become positive plus. So minus become plus. So it will become plus 4. So minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4. So here distance of P comma J is equal to minus 2 plus 4. Now which number is greater? 4 is greater or minus 2 is greater? Now this 4 carry plus sign. These 4 carry plus sign. Is that clear? So now plus 4 is greater than minus 2. So subtract this minus into plus minus. So 4 minus 2 become 4 minus 2 is 2, positive 2, because the greater number carries positive sign. Okay, the greater number carry with sign positive or negative, positive sign. Here 4 is greater than 2 na, minus 2 na, so here we will put plus 2. Okay, so P comma J is equal to 2. P comma J, distance between P comma J is equal to 2. So here sub question 7, distance of P comma J is equal to positive 2. So students, here we finish sum number 7. Now let's solve sum number 8. Here sum number 8 is distance of Q comma B. Now on this number line, coordinate of Q point is -5 and coordinate of B point is +2. Coordinate of Q point is -5 and coordinate of B point is +2. So here we will write first distance bracket Q comma B bracket close. Now solution, the coordinate of point Q is equal to -5 and coordinate of point B is equal to 2. So here we will write solution. The coordinate of point Q is equal to -5 and B is equal to 2. So here respectively, we know that which number is greater, -5 or positive 2. Yes, positive number is always greater than negative number. Okay, now here -2 is smaller number as compared to positive number. That means 2 is greater than -5. So here we will write, we know that 2 is greater than -5. 2 is greater than -5. Now distance of Q comma B is equal to 2 minus, why minus? Because here distances are given. So distance of Q comma B is equal to 2 minus -5. Inside the bracket we will put here -5. So 2 minus minus give us plus. Minus minus will become plus. So 2 plus 5 is equal to, yes, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. That means distance of Q comma B is equal to 7. Distance of Q comma B is equal to 7. See, this 2 minus is for this distance formula. We will put here minus sign and here -5 is given. So minus into minus will become plus. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So distance of QB is equal to, distance of Q comma B is equal to 7. So some numbers, sub questions 8 of question number 1, distance of Q comma B is equal to 7. So students, in this way we finish question number 1 of practice set 1.1.
Students, today we discussed and solved practice set 1.1 question number 1, which carries 8 sub questions. Now students, your task is to solve all the 8 sub questions in your notebook. Next session, we will solve the remaining question. So students, enjoy learning, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you for watching my video.